Hey everyone, if you want to merge cells in Excel in 2026 to make your spreadsheet look cleaner and more organized, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to merge cells step by step. First, merging cells helps you create titles, headers, and improve the overall layout of your spreadsheet. It makes your data look more professional. Next, open the Excel workbook where you want to merge cells. Yeah, make sure the data is ready before formatting. Now select the cells you want to merge. You can select two or more adjacent cells depending on your layout. Go to the Home tab in Excel. So this is where most formatting tools are located. Now click Merge and Center. Yeah, this will combine all selected cells into one and center the text. If you click the small arrow next to Merge and Center, you'll see more options like Merge Across and Merge Cells. Choose the one that fits your needs. Keep in mind, merging cells keeps only the top left value. All other data in the selected cells will be removed. If you want to undo merging, just click Unmerge Cells from the same menu. So this restores the original cell structure. A common use of merging is creating titles across a table. Yeah, this helps make headers more visible and organized. Finally, save your workbook to keep your formatting changes. This ensures your merged cells stay applied. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to merge cells in Excel in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.